So up until now, we've been using libhardened malloc by doing this LD preload command. In order to ensure that hardened malloc is the malloc allocator, the memory allocator that we're going to be using for our binary. And we've been doing that by doing LD preload and then running our executable. The problem with that is, what if you forget to do this LD preload? That would mean that you're running your binary without the protection that libhardened malloc can give you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can ensure that your binary needs libhardened malloc in order to execute properly. So it's pretty simple to do. All you need to do is, during your compilation of your binary, make sure that you have the directory to where libhardened malloc exists, hardened malloc. And then during the compilation, also put hardened malloc as one of the required libraries that it needs in order to link with. So we're going to go ahead and make heap 0. And now you can see that if I'm not running with the hardened malloc, I get this error saying that it can't load the shared library libhardened malloc. So, well, that's bad. That means that I can't run my executable anymore. So there's two ways in which we can get around this. The first way is to do an LD library path. And we set that library path as the path that holds the libhardenedmalloc.so file, and we run our executable. And the other way is to copy in the hardened malloc shared library into one of the known areas that your operating system uses to get shared libraries from. And on my Fedora machine, one of those paths is userlib. So I'm going to copy in the libhardened malloc into userlib. Right. And okay, there's still a problem. So after you copy in the hardened malloc into this area, you have to do this LD config function. And I think this is specific to Fedora, but I'm not quite sure. And after you do that, now you can run your binary, and just to give you some assurance that it's always using that libhardened malloc here, let's disassemble the main and jump to some spot after a malloc here. So we're going to jump to this spot here, which is after these two mallocs. And I'm just going to run the application. And let's do an info proc mappings. And you can see this is what hardened malloc does to your mappings file. It gives you the spot that you're going to be using for the allocations, and it also puts up some guard areas around the specific mmap that you're using. And if we take a look inside of, to get a little bit more information about the mappings, we can do a cat on proc the PID number and the maps file, and here they are. So you can see that around the area that you're allocating, that you're using for your malloc allocations, you have these areas that you cannot read or write into. So that's one of the defense mechanisms that libhardened malloc can give you. And we can also see that libhardened malloc has been loaded by that the text of libhardened malloc has been loaded into our execution, the running execution of our binary. So I think that's it for this video, a short one, just to show you how you can be assured to use this libhardened malloc on the binaries that you want to compile and run for yourself. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.